Hello everyone, I am Shayoni Roy Burman and today I am going to start the first chapter of class 12, that is reproduction in organism. Now, reproduction is a process by which organism produces the young ones similar to itself. Okay, now it is of two types, that is asexual or apomixis and sexual or amphimixis. Now what is asexual reproduction? It is a process where is the involvement of single parent and there is no gamete formation. Okay, usually we call the organisms as clones. Why? Because morphologically and physiologically they are exactly like their parents. Now, in case of sexual reproduction or amphimixis, it is the involvement of two parents and there is fusion of gametes, that is male and female gametes. Okay, so here the organism produces by the fusion of male and female gametes. So, today we are going to discuss about the various types of asexual reproduction. What are these? These are fission, budding, spore formation and vegetative propagation. Coming to the fission. What is fission? It is nothing but breaking up of one single organism into two. How? We know that usually it happens in lower group of organisms like amoeba. It is of two types. What are those types? That is binary fission and multiple fission. As you can understand by the term, binary fission means breaking up of organism into two. That means it happens in amoeba. Here it's a simple amoeba organism. What happens first? It extends with the extension of nucleus and it simply breaks into two new organisms. Okay. Now, what is multiple fission? That means multiple organism can produce from one organism. It is usually found in Paramecium. It is usually found in Plasmodium, the Malaria parasite. What is this? Here, inside a single cell, numerous cells can produce, which can come out by baking and can produce new organisms. Okay. Now coming to budding. Budding may be of two types also. What are those two types? Number one, external budding, and number two, internal budding. The external budding is usually found in Hydra. What happens? Bud is basically a small outgrowth. Here a small outgrowth appears from the side of the body. It matures with the body and after some time it gets detached from the mother body and it produces a new organism. How? It is like Hydra. In Hydra, a bud appears in the side of the mother body. It can mature and after maturation, it gets detached from mother body and it produces new organism. Okay. Coming to the internal budding, it is found in the sponge where these are known as gametes. These formations are known as gametes. Okay. Coming to the spore formation, spore may be of various types. One is motile spore, that is known as zoospores. That means they have their own flagella by which they are like this, by which they can move from one area to another area. Okay. And another one is conidiospores. These are non-motile spores which cannot move from one area to another area. And last is the vegetative propagation. Now, what is vegetative propagation? Actually, when the asexual reproduction happens in plant, they are known as vegetative propagation. Various plant parts like root, stem, leaves, and runners, offsets, etc. they are capable of producing new organisms. They are known as these structures which are capable of producing new organisms. They are known as vegetative propagules.